Hello viewers, welcome to my channel DV Easy Learn. NMMS examination preparation, Scholastic Achievement Test SAT. Class 7 Social Studies, second chapter, Rain and Rivers. First question, over dash of the earth's surface is covered with water. Correct answer is 71%. Second question is, the story of rain begins with water vapor. Third question, the process of evaporation speeds up with the dash in temperature. Correct answer, increase. Fourth question, change of water into vapor is known as. Correct answer, evaporation. Fifth one, the process in which water vapor changes into water is called. Condensation. Sixth question, different forms of condensation of water vapors is known as. Precipitation. Seventh question, the correct sequence of water cycle is. Correct option is D, 4, 2, 3, 1. Evaporating from the seas, forming clouds in the sky, coming down as rain, flowing in the rivers to join sea. Question number 8. The amount of invisible water vapor present in the atmosphere is known as. Correct answer, humidity. Ninth question, the winds coming all the way from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal that transport rain clouds are called dash monsoon winds. Southwest monsoon. 10th question, the districts that receive very little rainfall in Telangana state are. Correct answer, Mahabub Nagar and Jogulamba. 11th question, the southwest monsoon sets in Telangana in the month of. June. 12th question, the northeast monsoon or the retreating monsoon causes very little rains in Telangana during. October and November. 13th question, the instrument by which the rainfall is measured is known as. Correct answer, rain gauge. 14th question, smaller rivers or streams which join a large river are called. Tributaries. 15th question, towards the end of its journey to the sea, the river forms a. Delta. 16th question, the Manjira is a tributary of. Correct answer is Godavari. 17th question, the treeless bed of the river is called. The treeless bed of the river is called. Correct answer, flood plain. 18th question, the chairman of village level Harita Rakshaka committee. Sarpanch. 19th question, the worst cyclone hit the east coast of India in November. 1977. 20th question. The tablets used to purify water during floods. Halogen. 21st question. Which of the following is not the tributary of Krishna? Correct answer is Manjira. 22nd question. Where does it rain the most? Correct answer is mountains that are in the direction of winds. 23rd question. Which of the following are the tributaries of Godavari? Answer is all the above. Maner, Pranahita and Kadam. 24th question. The polluted water during floods causes diseases like all the above, cholera, dysentery, jaundice. 25th question. The disasters affect dash the most. The poorest. 26th. The Telangana government is implementing plantation of dash saplings all over the state. Correct answer is 230 crores. Thank you. Meet you with next lesson. Thanks for watching.